We were just given this product for wet and forget shower weekly cleaner. This is the fresh scent. I opened it up. I actually really like the smell. It is really a good fresh scent. We've got this really nasty shower, and we're going to show you what that looks like on the inside, and then we're going to go ahead and apply this and see if it can do the trick. So here's what the initial bathtub and shower surround. We've got some buildup, some calcification there, a little bit of what looks to be pink mold coming back there, some mold growth back there, and the shower curtain, mold and mildew there. It's pretty gross. Let's see if this thing can do the trick. You're supposed to apply this after you've taken a shower, and since we haven't, what we're going to do is go ahead and wet down the shower with some hot water. Make sure to get everything good and thoroughly soaked. This does have a nice little handle. I really do like that, and the cord seems plenty long. It's enough that says do about 12 weeks worth. With a job this bad, you may have to do it several times, but having this handle that pops and locks it like that is fantastic. Let's get in here and get some spray. We're going to spray thoroughly over all the molded areas, and then we're going to forget it and see what happens.
All right, we've let this set for 8 hours. With how bad this shower was, it actually says you wipe it down when you rinse it to get rid of that extra mold and mildew. So I'm going to have my towel, and as I rinse it off, I'm going to wipe it down as well. Now I did go ahead and put some of the spray on the bottom of this curtain because it was looking 10 shades of nasty. Because this is all mold, we will have to wipe it off, but that comes off real easy. Now this does say to make sure you rinse it really well before you get in the shower, and to be careful because it is slick. So if you put it on an opening hinging door and you let that water come out onto the floor, just be very careful because that floor gets slick. Time to clean the shower. Got all sorts of mess in here. We're gonna try out Wet It and Forget It shower with the vanilla scent on this shower and see how it does. Now that we've got it all wet, we're gonna put on our cleaner. Make sure you rinse it good, so you do not want that chemical on your feet when you are in the shower. Rinse down the shower, and then I wiped it. And you can see a difference, especially in the shower door. With just a little bit of wiping, 8 hours later, my shower is nice and clean. So after using the product for a little while, I really do like it. It was kind of skeptical at first with how it actually would work, but it really did come together really well. Just make sure you wipe it up, get the floor really well, because the biggest downside is how slick it is on the floor. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.